The holiday season is already underway in West Des Moines Valley Junction. Let's head back to Ann at Jingle in the Junction. Hi, Ann.
Hi there, guys. I found a show-stopping event here at Jingle in the Junction. This reindeer, he sings, his mouth moves, and he looks real. I thought he was real. But you can't sit, you can just watch as you're taking in all the sights here in Valley Junction. We have the ice sculptor across the street here earlier when I checked in with you guys, and now we've got the reindeer and we have the band. If you can see that off into the distance, live band playing Christmas carols, getting you into the spirit. All of the shop windows are decorated with lights and Christmas trees and Santa Clauses and everything that you could imagine to make yourself excited for the holiday season. That'll be here before we know it. And it's been a great day. Sunshine, well, some sunshine this morning, I should say, but it's been mild. We've been mild all week, and a great night to kick off this event here in Valley Junction. Lots of kids, I saw lots of dogs, people checking out all of the sites. So it's a really great evening to get out and about if you're not going to be in Valley Junction this evening. That's okay. Maybe you're at home hanging out on the patio because the weather's so nice. Honestly, I might not even need this jacket because it's so mild out here. It does get colder tonight though. And then if you're not a fan of cold weather, we've got some cold weather to talk about as we head into next week for Thanksgiving. So I want to send it over to my friend, Chief Meteorologist Jason Sadeko. He's got an outlook on the forecast. Jason, how's it looking out there?
You know what? I think it's looking a little better out there with that reindeer. We're going to need you to bring that back. We need that reindeer as, I think, a company mascot, please. But yeah, no, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. There are some big changes in store for us, and we'll see some of those even as early as tonight. You look outside right now, West Des Moines is looking very quiet. You can see that breeze out in Creston. That flag has been flapping all day long, and your temperature coming in at 62. So we are still cloudy out there. Winds out of the south-southwest at 15 miles per hour. We've seen gusts over 40 miles per hour for some northern portions of the state. You can see sustained winds have died down some. We're sitting around 10 to 20 miles per hour. So if you got plans to be outside, well, plan for that breeze. It's very comfortable out there right now, though. Temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s, so it is borderline jacket material out there, and we won't give you too much guff. You can see, though, clouds continue to reign supreme here. We've got more showers off to the west into Nebraska, but we're not going to tap into much moisture. We're actually going to be tapping into more sunshine soon here, but look at the temperatures. We're going to be nearly 20 degrees colder tomorrow than we were today. We'll have the sunshine and the winds will be lighter, so honestly, it's still going to be a pretty beautiful day, but sure would be nice to be seeing those 60s again, wouldn't it? So our winds take a dramatic shift from the southwest to the northwest, and it's going to be dragging in that cooler, drier air. Again, winds do weaken some, though. By 6 a.m., we're talking 10 to around 20 mile per hour winds, and then by Friday afternoon, skies are clear, winds are light. Yes, it's colder, but we're only dropping to, what, a degree below average. So things are looking beautiful even for your Friday with that cool down. Into Saturday, we'll start to notice more changes. Temperatures are going to be bumping back up. We're talking mid to upper 50s with that sunshine on Saturday. Still have that wind advisory, though, that goes through 7 p.m. Could still see some gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour or so. Temperatures tonight, though, dropping down into the middle 30s. Clouds will be decreasing overnight, as will the wind. We're topping out at 48 tomorrow. Again, that is your average high. We have been so far above that average for so long. It's hard to believe that this dip is actually taking us back to where we should be. 8-day forecast has us right back close to 60, though, for your Saturday with sunshine. Clouds build back in on Sunday, and there is even a stray shot. We could see a scattered shower late Sunday night into Monday. Monday will be the best chance, but as things have usually gone for us in the past few weeks, as we see these systems 4 or 5 days out, things really start to change and they dry out before they get to us. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. As it sits right now, looks like rain and much cooler air. We're down into the low 40s on Tuesday. Oh man, Turkey Day. Going to be a little bit cold out there. We're dropping to freezing for your Thanksgiving, waking up to temperatures in the teens. And if you are getting out early to get those Black Friday deals, well, make sure you bundle up. We are again going to be talking temperatures in the middle teens.